How to file rent expense on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In most cases, rent payments are not tax deductible for federal tax purposes, but there are some exceptions where you might qualify for deductions or credits. The first thing you want to do is check if you qualify for a rent deduction or credit. Now, to enter your rent expenses, you want to open TurboTax and sign into your account. If you are claiming a state renter's credit, you want to go to deductions and credits, then go to state and local taxes, look for renter's credit if your state offers it, then enter the amount of rent paid during the tax year. Now, if you are deducting rent for a home office, then you want to go to self-employment income and expenses, then select home office deduction, enter details about your workspace. TurboTax will then calculate the deductible portion of your rent, and in this way you can file rent expense on TurboTax. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.